Hi guys, welcome again into our Excel 101. So I will teach you the basic formula of Excel, Microsoft Excel. So the basic formula is sum, count, count A, count blank, average, mean, max, len, trim, and if. So let's start with the sum. So basically, sum it sum the total available data. So for example, um, let's sum this range of cell. So equals, okay, always use equals to put formula, okay. Then sum and tab, just click tab or shift 9 for the um, close parentheses. Then select the range you want to sum. So for example, this range. So if you put number here, it will automatically sum the range. So close open and close parenthesis the range. Then click enter. Then here it is, the sum of the value of 2 and 2. So it's 4. As you can see, our range is highlighted here. So C9 to C14. So C9 to C14. So if you put um, number 2 again here, it will become 6. So again, that's some. Okay. Then let's go to count. So what is count? It counts the available value in a certain range of cell. So we will count the available value here. So equals count, then select the range, then enter. So basically, the count only counts the numeric value. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, it counts only the numeric value because there is a cell which contain the text. So only the numeric value that counts. So um, what if I want to count also the text? So we will go to count A. So this formula counts numeric and text value on a certain range. So for example, count A, then select the range, enter. So it counts the available value, whether it's numeric or text. So if you delete this, it will become 1 because there is only one cell that has a value. So let's go to count blank. So count blank, basically it counts the blank cell on a certain range. So for example, count blank and enter. 2 because there is a blank cell here. So only 2. So if you delete all this, there's 6. Okay. So average. So basically it average the certain specific range. So average, then select here. Okay, that's the average of these numbers. Then mean means the minimum available value for the certain range. So equals mean, then select the range, then enter. The minimum value of this range is 1. So if you change this to 0, then it will become 0. Okay? So the available minimum um, value of a certain range. So if there is a min, there is a max. So max, select the range, enter. It's the opposite of min, max. So the maximum value of this range is number 6. Okay? So um, len. What is len? So basically, len is counting the available character on a certain cell. For example, I want to count the available character in this cell. Example, um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a 7 character in this cell. So equals len, then select range. It equals now to 7 because there is a 7 letter in here, this in this cell. So if you add 2 character, it will become 9. Okay? So let's go to trim. So what is trim? So trim removes all unnecessary spaces in a certain cell. For example, here I want to okay, so Michael has a space here on middle of my name. So I want to delete that space without manually selecting the cell and then delete that. What if so many data you are going to delete? So it takes time. So in this formula, it automatically delete all the spaces. So okay, why trim? Okay, why doesn't delete that? Okay, wait. Trim. Oh, okay. So um the Michael. Okay, so I get it. The trim removes spaces outside um the word. So if you have a space here, then trim equals here. It removes the unnecessary spaces from the start or at the end of the um, word in the Excel. So the space between the um, character um, it's much more complicated to formula now. So later on, I will on our next um, video, I will make a formula to remove necessary spaces on a between the two words. So that's the trim for now. It removes the spaces from the start and at the end of the certain cell. So the if, okay, so if formula is basically there is um, true or false result. So for example, um, 6 so equals if, okay, the logical question here is um, if I will select this range. If L9 is equals to 6, then comma value if 6 if the this range is 6, what I'm gonna do is number 6. But if not, comma, if false, let's put always the double quotation, so it will become text, not 6. Okay. So then enter. So number 6. So if we change this to number 8, not 6. If we'll change this number 6 to 6, it will become number 6. So it is number 6. It is not 6. Okay. So if is the most powerful formula in Excel because it decides the um, outcome of your if what you are gonna do in your data. So this is very simple example of if. So that's it. That's it for the basic formula of Excel. Thank you.